This recorded presentation will serve as an introduction to the various tools and navigation available with the new CMS 4.0. Areas to be covered during this presentation include how to quickly filter work order search results, how to modify your screen layout, how to search for work orders, and how to simultaneously edit multiple work orders using Mass Edit. To access CMS 4.0, on the navigation menu select CMS 4.0 and Work Orders. Active work orders assigned to the individual who's logged in appear on the screen as My Work Orders. In this example, the user has 113 active work orders assigned to him. You can easily filter these results by clicking on items such as the work order category, the description, and other items. Note the speed with which the filtering occurs, and you can remove filters by clicking the X's above. To open a work order in CMS 4.0, select the pencil icon. Note the speed with which the screen loads. Make any changes that you'd like to make, save the changes, and then return to your search. You can also filter using the text box above. For instance, if I wanted to see work orders associated with my EOC code, note that we've now narrowed this down to 71 work orders from the previous 113. Again, to remove a filter, simply click the X. Another way to filter work orders is to select the green Add Filters link. Here, you can select from a variety of fields on the work order whether they're currently displayed on the screen or not. If I wanted to look for work orders in a specific location, I could do so this way. You can sort your results by clicking on any column header, such as Category or Date Created. To add or remove columns from your work order search results, select the Edit icon next to the default view. Select the field that you would like displayed, such as Location, and perhaps Status. If you'd like to save this view, you can rename it mark it as public or private, and then save. Let's remove the location filter we had in place and search for work orders in CMS 4.0. To search for work orders, select the magnifying glass icon from the toolbar. You're presented with a screen with the different fields on which you can search the database. If I wanted to find any toilet-related problems, I could click in the description field and then execute my search. If I want to modify my search, select the magnifying glass again. It retains the toilet we had typed in previously, but we want to find work orders where there was no email for the requester. Again, run the search. If I wanted to run another search, again select the magnifying glass icon. I can clear out the previously selected fields by clicking on Reset. If I wanted to look for work requests created so far this year, I could choose a category, regular work requests, and then a date created field of this year to date. Again, run the search. If I'll be using these search criteria repeatedly, I can save this search as a public search. Select Save, enter the search name, and then I can save this as either a private search or one for other employees to utilize also by making it a public search. Click on Save. Saved searches will also be available in CMS Tech. If I'd like to add additional criteria to my search, again select the magnifying glass. It retains my previous selections, but perhaps I want to see work orders that were assigned to specific individuals. I can select the people for whom I'd like to search, and then execute my search. If I wanted to add columns, again, select the edit icon, choose the assignment field, and perhaps sort them by the assignment, and save that view. At any point in time, you can return to your work orders by selecting My Work Orders from the saved work order search. The CMS 4.0 work order search screen gives you many criteria by which you can search the database. These can include user-defined fields that you've set up for different work order types, the ability to search by the person who last edited a work order, and the ability to search by project numbers, new for 4.0. You can also search using the portals on the right-hand side. If you wanted to search for work orders associated with a specific asset, you could do that here. You could also search for work orders associated with assets having specific model numbers and manufacturers. The ability to search work orders utilizing specific procedures, labor charges, materials, and so on. As an example, let's use some of those criteria in combination to search the database. We're going to look for work orders with a status of completed, that have labor charges, that utilize material charges that were completed this year, and that have an asset associated with the work order. Again, note the speed with which results are returned in 4.0. CMS 4.0 gives you the ability to edit multiple work orders simultaneously from search results. This is called mass edit. Enter the selection criteria by which you want to pull up a list of work orders, perhaps everything with a status of active assigned to a specific individual. In this case, we'll go with George Arnold, save that, and execute our search. You can then either select all of the results or only specific work orders that you'd like to update. Then select the Mass Edit icon in the upper right-hand corner. If we wanted to complete those work orders, change the status to completed, add a labor charge of a half hour each, and then click on Save. The pop-up confirmation tells you what you're changing. Click Save again, and you're done. Note that mass edits take place in the background, enabling you to move forward with whatever else you need to do. Another option is the ability to export those work orders into Excel. Again, we'll select active work orders, in this case assigned to a couple of individuals, and search. To export to Excel, select the work orders to export, click the export icon, and work orders are automatically exported to Excel. You can also print work orders by selecting the appropriate format that you'd like to see. If you had multiple work orders that should perhaps be in another department, you have the ability to mass transfer those as well. Also, with the right level of permissions, you could delete those work orders by plugging in your password. In this video, we've explored how to quickly narrow down your existing searches utilizing filtering within your search results. We've learned to complete work orders more efficiently utilizing Mass Edit and discovered additional search options available in CMS 4.0. For additional information on working with 4.0 work orders, please see our other video using the work order module. Thank you.